Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to replace this headset cups for your PSY Pulse wireless headset. So both are damaged, so I'm going to replace a new one. I'll be providing the Amazon link, you can buy that. It's very simple to fix that. So there is two air cups, okay, right side, and this one for left side. Okay, cool. First we need to take this out. So totally it's damaged. They have given this pin, so I'm going to take this out. So you can simply open like this. So you can identify this is the left side and this is also left side. So I'm going to put that. So that's it, friends. It's very easy. It's very easy to fit. Now it's perfectly fit. The same thing, I'm going to remove it on this right side. So again, I'm going to put this right side cup, right side. So now it's perfect. So now you can use this. I'll be providing the link in the description so that you can buy if you want. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put the comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.